All right, bro, here's your sneak peek at Riverview. Floors came out awesome. Probably remember this was all carpet with these underneath. This room is still huge. Opened up that wall to the kitchen, makes both of those rooms feel bigger. Little ginkgo chandelier, looks cool. We put these Mexican tile floors in, which I love. Dun, dun, dun. Nice little backsplash. I made this little eat and nook area. Pretty sweet, overlooking the backyard. So fresh and so clean. And then, I don't know if I was paying attention when I got it, but it has just over a ½ acre, so it's huge in front and back. Little style in the bathroom. My friend does this wallpaper from Rhode Island. Nice tile. Just a little style here and there. Extra bedroom, probably office maybe, but has everything for a bedroom. Huge backyard, little deck we put on. Little MoMA exhibit over there, little shed for yoga or art or whatever. 2-car garage. This is all the staging stuff being picked up. We tiled this back here, looks nice. Staging stuff. And then French doors to this area again. Coming on through. So this has a door, so you can actually like shut that little part off. 1 closet, 2 closet, stackable washer and dryer. Another large bedroom. 2 closets, a lot of windows. Second full bath. Up in her. Pretty sweet. And then, this is where the in-laws' quarters are. We just made this like a little reading room, a little hangout room. And then long. Put a pocket door. So you can shut that whole thing off. The pocket door opens up to this pimp bathroom. Pretty sweet. And a walk-in closet. That's my friend's wallpaper again. And then the master bedroom. We're just finishing putting everything together. Large bedroom, walkout. If I was in here, I'd probably do another deck just for the master, but gotta stop using the money up somewhere. That's it, bro. Oh yeah, we found there was a pathway underneath the grass that was there. It was just grown over, so we pulled that up.